How vast are the distances in stellar phenomena? Imagine trying to measure the distance from your home to a neighboring city, but instead of miles or kilometers, you're talking about trillions of kilometers or even light years. That's the scale astronomers work with when they study stars and the universe. The closest star to Earth after the Sun is Proxima Centauri, which is about 4.24 light-years away. A light-year is how far light travels in 1 year, which is roughly 9.46 trillion kilometers. To picture that, light can circle the Earth over 7 times in just 1 second. Within our galaxy, the Milky Way, stars are spaced out by several light-years. The galaxy itself stretches about 100,000 light-years across. That means light from one side takes 100,000 years to reach the other side. When we look at distant stars, we see them as they were thousands or even millions of years ago because their light takes so long to arrive. This makes studying stellar life cycles a bit like looking back in time. Scientists have developed clever ways to measure these enormous distances. The first is called stellar parallax. It's based on observing how a star's position shifts as Earth orbits the Sun. This method works well for stars up to a few thousand light-years away. For more distant objects, astronomers use standard candles, like Cepheid variable stars. These stars have a known brightness, so by comparing how bright they appear from Earth, scientists can figure out how far away they are. Using these methods, astronomers can measure distances across millions of light-years, reaching neighboring galaxies and beyond. For example, the Andromeda galaxy is about 2.5 million light-years away, and we can measure that distance with great accuracy. These measurements are vital because they help us understand the age and expansion of the universe, as well as how stars evolve over time. Understanding these vast distances also highlights why space science needs ongoing support. Developing better telescopes and measurement techniques allows us to see farther and learn more about how stars are born, live, and die across the universe. It's amazing to think that the light we see from distant stars has traveled 4,000 or millions of years to reach us. So, from a few light-years between nearby stars to tens of millions of light-years across galaxies, the universe is incredibly vast. Each measurement builds on the last, helping us piece together the story of stellar evolution and the universe's history. Recognizing this scale reminds us how small we are in the grand cosmic picture and how much there is still to discover.